Okay, I just wanted to get this on camera really quick because this is nuts. Dad, come here. This right here
It's cold.
is cold and hail that is not melting. Look at all of it over there.
Tell them it dropped like 15 degrees.
It dropped like 15 degrees. It's really cool. We're in a massive storm. We're at the beach, isn't that right, Dad?
That's right.
Yeah. And this is awesome, except it's freezing and it's really hot, lightning.
Oh, you got it.
I think I got it.
Or did you get yourself?
I got myself, but
Flashed by lightning.
yes. All right, we'll record later. Goodbye.